deepest condolences to his family, friends, and the entire community.
Once there is a police shooting and you see a politician run out, it don't really matter if it is orange or green. Automatically, there's a red flag. I remember there was this most wanted man in Gregory Park, but we didn't know him. And police were on spot check. I don't know if they get tip or whatever, but they picked him up and brought him to the station. Immediately, about 10 minutes after they brought him in, there is this counselor, politician man that lived in very close proximity to the Caymanas police station. In 10 minutes, he came to the police station, and I was the station guard on duty, and was having so much discussion as to why I should let him out and why we should let him go, and all kind of cock and bull story. But I said the police brought him here for processing. I don't know him and whatever. And him a tell me how him a good somebody and blah, 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 blah. And very nice, handsome young man. I call 100 man CIB. I give them a description. He gave me a name and whatever. But for whatever reason, nobody could not pick him up or whatever. So we had him on the bench for a while and release him because the politician was saying how good him was and how good and perfect the young man was. You see, 10 minutes after I released that man, 100 man call, the entire place start call. Said the man is wanted for more than 20 murders and him is the top shotter in a Gregory Park that we were looking for how many months and years. Him we are look for. And the politician come and cause us to release the man which was the most wanted. So anytime you see young police, anytime you see a man pick up and you see the politician come, that is a red flag. 9.9.9 time is a criminal. Do due diligence. From you pick up a man and you see the politician come, make him stay up on the bench. Send him at the head office. Send him 100 man go make them DI him. No release him. Because as me say, him is a criminal. Me not afraid a politician, you know. So you see, the fact that brown, and as I say, it don't matter if them are green, orange, or pink. Politicians spell one way. So you see the fact that Dr. Angela Brownberg jump out so high this morning, that is an orange color flag. Remember.